Season's greetings from all of us at ACO. As the year draws to a close, we extend our warmest wishes to our invaluable vendors, cherished customers, and esteemed partners around the world. This festive season is a time for gratitude, reflection, and joyous celebrations. We take this moment to express our heartfelt appreciation for your unwavering support, trust, and collaboration throughout this year. Amidst the challenges and triumphs, your dedication has been the cornerstone of our success. Together, we've forged strong bonds, tackled obstacles, and achieved remarkable milestones. Your commitment drives us to continuously innovate, improve, and deliver excellence. As we embrace the spirit of the holidays, let us cherish these moments of togetherness with family, friends, and loved ones. May the upcoming year be filled with prosperity, success, and new opportunities. From all of us at ACO, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey together.